Welcome back to the channel. If you already saw the title of this video, I am selling all of my carbon, minus my hood. That's not going anywhere. Since I'm getting a body kit, I won't be needing any of my carbon arrow, so including my front carbon splitter, my carbon side skirts, and then in the back, I have this carbon diffuser as well. And then also, I'm getting a bigger wing, so I'm gonna get rid of this duckbill. I'm gonna be taking all of it off while the car is jacked up. So I'm gonna start with the side skirt.
Did you leave one in the end?
Really matter. Look at how dirty it is.
Garbage.
No, it's for sale. I now have one side skirt off. It looks super weird. And now I'm gonna work on taking the front splitter off. Now I'm moving on to the diffuser. Now I'm on to the other side skirt. The rest is 3M taped on, so now we have the fun task of taking it all off. Yay. It is now completely a new day, and I am now just getting started on taking off my carbon duckbill and diffuser. I quit on the other day because I didn't have any like fishing line or goo gone or anything. So now I'm in the garage and I'm gonna work on getting these off. I went to the store and I got some Goo Gone. I'm gonna try this. I've never really tried it before, but people say it works. And then fishing line, and then I also have a heat gun. Adam!
What?
Help me!
I'm busy.
Okay, the little spoiler wing is off. Diffuser, I forgot to record that, but Adam got that off. So that's exciting. And this tool was literally the best. I just used a heat gun and then I would like wedge it underneath and then go all the way around, and then we just pulled it up. We're gonna go for a coffee break. Now we are back, we got our coffee, and we're gonna work on the front lip. I just struggled for a hot minute trying to get this off, and I sprayed this Goo Gone stuff. I said I was gonna try it, and I feel like it almost dissolves the 3M tape, which is awesome. So now we have like almost all of it off, which is great. And then we just have this last corner. I just like spray a little bit, and then like, oh, it's gonna come right off.
Is that good or bad?
Well, it's good, it's not paint. It's like,
Yeah. Paint on that over the fucking
Oh.
books.
we did it! That was so stressful. Trying not to rip like the paint or crack the carbon is so scary, and it was so stressful, but the Goo Gone literally made the biggest difference in the world. Like I sprayed it, and within minutes it would just like kind of dissolve and just like come right off. So if you're trying to get 3M off, use Goo Gone. Anyways, here's the front lip off. I'll show you guys what I was talking about at the end. I don't really know. It's not like paint or anything. It's literally like a piece of the inside here. But yeah, I'm gonna work on like cleaning this up so I can list it for sale. Same with like all the 3M here too. So now I have the diffuser off the car, the duckbill, the front lip, and the side skirts. I'm now going to go ahead and clean them up and then post them for sale. So I just finished getting everything cleaned up. It all looks great. Now I'm gonna list them all for sale. I'm super sad, but I'm excited for my body kit instead, so yay. Now, with that being said, all of the Aero is for sale and I'm about to list it on Marketplace. If anyone is in Alberta or around Alberta and wants to buy it, hit me up. And in the meantime, my car is just gonna be stock. So, oh well, can't wait for the kit. Till next time, peace out.